in the weevil spider, and here it is. So I got another one now, and I'm going to be opening it for you. Now I opened it, and now let's get the book out. Here it is. So here's a closer look at it, and my brother's just holding it. So this is the next one that's coming out. We're going to be looking at in the magazine now. So this is the first page. That's the first page, and then I'm going to turn it. And this is it here. Broken. I'm just going to skip this and show you the bug. And this is the bug. Now, if you look at it up close, it has stripes on its legs. Look. That's it. Up close. And on its back, it also has stripes. Look. Look. On the back there. And I'll show you my collection in a minute. Before I had 6 and now I got 7, and I'm just gonna go get them back. They're all of them are downstairs, but this one, and I don't want to go downstairs because I just want to finish this video, and I'm gonna take this book out. This is the one I got the other day, and it's in the big case. And these are actually the names of them, and we can stick them on there so it looks better. Oh, they're in there! So I didn't know they were in there. That's a surprise. So here's all 7, and here are all of them. And let's count and see if I have all 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's another magazine here and one here. I got 3 magazines now. I got that one, and this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!